today I'm going to be doing another product empties video. I've got a few more things to show that I have accumulated over the last month or so. So I will share with you guys all these products I've used up and what I think about them and if I would recommend buying them or, you know, just what I think about them. So as always, I will kind of go quickly through the repeat products that I have in almost like every empties. So first is the L'Oreal Feria Absolute Platinum hair dye in the color Extreme Platinum, my all-time favorite one. I definitely need to use again soon once I kind of figure out this whole hair situation, but I did that right before I did the red hair, so that is definitely my favorite hair product. I used up 2 of the Epielle makeup wipes. These are both the Argan oil ones. They're $1 a piece for the 30 wipes or $2 for 60 wipes. All-time favorite. I get mine at Big Lots. Next, I used 5 of the Missha 7-Day Coloring hair color treatments in the color Pink Brown. It's kind of like ironic because this is the color, like based on the packaging you would expect my hair to be, but I did a whole video dedicated to this and I do have an update video for showing you how my hair has washed and how the color has like worn and faded and everything like that. So that video is definitely coming soon. It has just literally taken the entire time I've had red hair to film that, so I feel like maybe in another week or 2 that video will be coming out. So I used up all 5 of these. I definitely really love the ash gray color, and then the only other one I've used is this one, obviously. Definitely a lot different than what I was expecting, but if you do really want like a super bright red, kind of like an orange red hair color, and you do have like pre-lightened blonde hair, then definitely check out that video and see what I think about these. Would I repurchase this color? Probably not. Maybe I would like dilute it or something, because I do like the color it is now, but it's definitely kind of a huge shock if you are using it on like blonde hair. You're not gonna get pink, brown, anything. You're gonna get like red, orange, manic panic, pillar box red kind of color. This next one is a product that I got in my, was it June? I think it was my June BoxyCharm. This is like a little mini Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I really loved this so much. It smells so good. I like completely like scraped the product out of here to use it all. I think I want to like keep the little container just so I can like smell it and remember how good it smelled. Definitely too expensive for me to purchase. I just put it on my arms, but it smelled so good. But as far as it being like a really good like tightening like lotion or body cream or something, I have no idea if it's anything. Like I said, I only put it on my arms and I just loved it because it smelled so good. Next, I've used up 2 more of my Etude House Mascara One Shot Clean Makeup Remover, or like mascara remover. Definitely my go-to eye makeup remover. Just use like a little bit of it. It's like one of those dual phase like oil cleanser kind of things. Just so perfect. It removes my mascara easily. It also does a really good job at removing like brow pomades or like kind of waxy products like that as well. So definitely my favorite. Mine are from Rosar Shop. I like the miniature ones. I just think they work better, even though they're like a tiny bit more expensive, but you can get like 2 of them for like 80 cents. So not bad at all. And I swear I've gone through like, I feel like I've gone through at least like 10 of these, maybe more. This next product I've used up, this is another like little sample product, and oh my god, I hated this so much, which I'm really surprised. This was a sample of the, I think it's Etude House Pink Vital Water. Mine came like in a little set of 4 of these for like a couple bucks, probably like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 bucks for them. And this is just like their little water cream, and it's just basically like a really thin kind of moisturizer, but oh my god, I put this all over my face one night, and like either the next day or the day after that, I woke up and I had these tiny little pimples like all over my face. And this was like the only thing I've done different, because especially since I've stopped drinking soda and eating sugar and like everything like that, my skin has been so good. And then I used this product and like literally like a day or 2 later, my skin was so broken out with these tiny like little pimple things I've never gotten before, and it just had to be this product. So definitely not a fan of this one. I guess I must be allergic, or there's just something in here that does not you know, work for me. But I have tried the toner and the emulsion of this before, and I didn't have any problems with that either. So I don't know, maybe it's just something in the cream that just really does not agree with me. So that was kind of like a get it the fuck away from me kind of product. Definitely not a product that I would purchase or recommend. The next product I used up, this one is a Korean like base product. This is the Sweet Cotton Pore Cover Base from Holika. I'm sure I got this one probably like a year or so ago, but I finally used it all up and I really liked it. It has like a sweet kind of smell to it, but it's not really like a cotton candy scent like I thought it would kind of be, but it does have like a little bit of a strange scent, but I like it. It was like just so adorable. The packaging of this is so cute. I love it. So this one reminds me a lot of like a really balmy texture pore filling kind of product, so it's definitely not as dry as like the Cover FX one I've been using lately, but I really liked it because it did kind of add a little bit more moisture to my skin. I feel like this was probably, I don't know, around $6 or less. Would I buy this again? I kind of think I would, but it's not really something that I definitely like have to have, but I just really enjoyed it and it was so cute. So maybe I'll buy this again, maybe not, we will see. Another product I used up, this one I've had like for so long. This is like just some random cuticle oil. This one's just called Solar Oil, and I finally used it up, so I thought I would put it in here. I'm sure I've had this for like way too long because this is like kind of nasty, but finally used up a cuticle oil. Next is another thing I got from BoxyCharm. These were in my, I think my most recent box, or maybe was it July or August? I think this is from August. I got 2 of the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. Actually 3 of them came, but I have 1 more left to use. So these are just kind of like a gold foil like under eye patch. I liked them, but these are like kind of expensive. I think you have to buy them in like pack of 6, and I think they're like maybe $25. Definitely not worth it, but I was really glad I got them in my BoxyCharm box. They were nice, they were fun. I don't really think they did anything like that amazing, so I definitely wouldn't recommend buying these. If you want some like inexpensive eye gel patches, definitely go for these. These were like $6. I think I got these from Sweet Korea, and these are the Co-Elf Royal Jelly Gold eye patches. I think you get like 30 pairs in here, so definitely a lot more worth it. Then I have just some sample products I used up. One is the Too Cool for School Egg Mellow Cream. I have like a little mini version of it that I got from Ulta, so I've been like trying to use up all the little sample packets that I have of it left so that I can use that one. So that one I definitely really like. This is another product I've shown a million times. This is a SkinFood rice mask wash off food therapy kind of thing. It's just kind of like a cream with like shredded rice in it, and it's supposed to be like a super gentle exfoliator. I find that it's so gentle that it wouldn't really do too much for me, but I have been using it and I have a couple more of these to get through. And then I have this one. This is from Missha Super Aqua Ultra Waterfall Intensive Serum. I don't even remember what I thought about it, so. And the last 2 things I use, these are just like little house kind of things. They're like the little scenty wax things. Those are like my favorite things ever. I almost prefer those to candles just because I feel like I don't really like burning candles that much because I'm just kind of a paranoid freak when it comes to like open flames and like my dogs and like forgetting about it. So I just prefer like wax burners. So these are just like some from Walmart that I get. They're like $1 or $2 a piece. This one is Sunset Island and this one is Vanilla Caramel. Just, you can't go wrong with any of these, so definitely would recommend these. And that is pretty much it for my current product empties. Let me know if you tried any of these or any products you guys recommend for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. Until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.